In today's fast paced life, everyone is under stress due to ever increasing disorder, crime, and violence. You are aware there is increasing awareness through advertisements on avoiding discrimination between girls and boys in the same family. But society continues with the age old practice and will never change. They also play games for long hours. Due to exhaustion from playing games for excessive periods of time, they get poisoned by the games and can no longer control themselves. So they commit suicide. Rejection or betrayal in games also makes them commit suicide. Some of them get heart attacks due to lack of physical activity, playing games for days, or due to malnutrition. A person indulging in destructive activities is usually under stress and performs these activities to burst stress. Activities to burst stress are breaking electronic gadgets, glass items like mirrors, crockery, punching stuff, as it makes one feel powerful. Selfie side. Persons indulging in selfie is not aware about the world around and the risk. Some people can go to the extremes to capture the perfect selfie, ignoring the dangers. Young people want to impress others and they don't even care about the dangers. Thus, there is increase in news of death by drowning in ocean, falling in deep valley, or under trains while taking the cell phone selfie. People who are mentally ill are those that indulge in domestic violence. Domestic violence is when there is a close relationship between the offender and the victim, that is, family members, relatives, and family friends. A mentally ill person sends messages to others before committing suicide, or sends video clips of suicidal acts. About 80% of people who attempt or complete suicide send warning signs to those around them. They need help in reducing the pain they are experiencing so that they can go on to lead productive, fulfilling lives. By helping them, you are planting seeds of hope that things can improve. Stress management. We will now discuss different ways to minimize stress. Laughter clubs. Laughter is a modern exercise. Joining laughter clubs is newly popularized concept where people come together in public places, parks, gardens, open spaces, and laugh loudly for a fixed duration of time to relieve mental stress. What are the benefits of joining a laughter club? It lowers our BP, that is blood pressure, increases oxygen intake, improves concentration, immune system, respiratory system, health of our heart, pain tolerance, and makes us happy. Establishing communication with friends, peers, cousins, teachers, parents, expressing our feelings with near and dear one helps relieve stress. Nowadays, there is fierce competition, insecurity, and criminal tendencies in the society. This kind of atmosphere is increasing mental and emotional stress. If the stress remains buried in the mind, persons are depressed or frustrated. This causes mental disorders. If not treated in time, depression can lead to addiction. The suicidal thoughts hover in the mind. If at that pace we can open our heart by good communication, many problems can be solved. Help from counselors can be taken to relieve the stress. By good communication with parents or family members, harmonious relations can be re-established. Fostering hobbies like material collection, photography, reading, cooking, sculpturing, drawing, rangoli, dancing, etc. help us to properly utilize free time. Benefits of hobbies. Hobbies help us to properly utilize the free time. They help to automatically neutralize negative thoughts by diverting energy and mind towards positive thinking. They help to create positive mindset. They help in improving confidence. Learning, listening to music and singing keep us happy and drive away stress. It is said that music reduces 65% stress. Music can make one feel more optimistic, meaning helpful and confident. and become positive about life. It has a profound effect on both the emotions and the body. Faster music can make you feel more alert and concentrate better. Slow music can quiet your mind and relax your muscles, making you feel relaxed. Participating in sports and outdoor games. The importance of sports and outdoor games is unparalleled. Sports cause physical exercise. They improve discipline, interaction, and tendency of unity. Loneliness disappears while playing sports. A person becomes more social. Regular exercising, massaging, visiting the spa help to relieve stress. As you all know, boys, regular exercises can increase self-confidence, improve your mood, help you to relax, and lower symptoms of mild depression and anxiety. Massage relaxes muscles and soft tissues in the body. Massage increases temperature and blood circulation. Increased circulation delivers more blood to the muscles, removing waste products and relieving tension. Visiting a spa helps to de-stress. It separates ourselves from life's everyday stressors and have some precious me time. Promotes a better sleep, relieves aches and pains, supports weight loss, improves blood flow and circulation, increases happiness, and reduces headache. Deep breathing, yogic sleep, yoga sanas, etc. are good for health. Yoga is not restricted to only asanas and pranayam, but also includes discipline, balanced, and good food and medication. Deep breathing, yogic sleep, yogasanas, etc. are good for health. Meditation helps in improving the ability of concentration. It imparts positivity to our temperament. It helps students to improve concentration in studies.